Sikibung, Sharkhafung village authority has claimed that armed Kuki militants abducted and attempted to kill a villager of Sikibung in Ukhrul district yesterday, but the Naga villager miraculously escaped from captivity, avoiding a major tragedy. In a press note, Sikibung Sharkhafung village authority has condemned the incident and informed about the sequence of events that unfolded yesterday. The village authority maintained that a group of Kuki individuals was found illegally fishing at a pond owned by one Mathodmi Singlai of Sarkhafung village. The pond is situated along the boundary between Sarkhafung village and Thawai Kuki. The authority further informed that the victim, Avnar Kasar, who happened to pass by the pond, was captured by Kuki militants and was forcefully taken towards Thawai Kuki. The authority maintained that Avnar Kasar was beaten and hit multiple times by firearm, but somehow Avnar managed to escape from the captivity. Calling it an attempt to murder, Sikibung Sarkhafung village authority questioned security forces who are stationed near the area how Kuki militants were allowed to roam freely with sophisticated arms. While asserting that both state authorities and security forces have failed in their duty to safeguard the lives of innocent civilians, the authority maintained that any further untoward incidents occurred in the area, the state government and security forces will be held responsible for the consequences arising from their continued failure to discharge their duty and ensure safety and security for citizens.